Yo guys, what's going on? This is XL bringing you another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make musicless clips for like anime series. It could be any type of anime series, but keep in mind it has to be the Blu-ray rip version of the series, and it has to have 5.1 channel audio tracks. If it doesn't have 5.1 audio channel tracks, then this probably won't work. I've tried it with 2.0 and it wouldn't work. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, first things first, you'll have to have like a series that you know that is Blu-ray ripped and that has 5.1 channel audio. For instance, I'm just gonna open one of these files, and I already know these are Blu-ray ripped. And you will need Handbrake. I forgot to mention that. You will need Handbrake for this. I'll leave a link in the description of the video for a download. But once you have the file open that you want to edit or whatever, go to the audio tab and make sure you have the track that you want to change or remove background music or whatever you want to do, and make sure it's 5.1. For instance, English 5.1 channel, I want that. And you'll see mix down right here. You'll see this drop down box. You'll want to switch it to 5.1 channels. Make sure you do that, because if you do not, it will not work. Make sure that it's set to 5.1 channels. And then once you have that set, you can pick a directory where you want the episode saved at, and just hit start encode. And you leave everything else default. Which I'm not going to do that for this episode, because I already got an episode done right here. So I'm just going to close out of that. Once you ran the episode through Handbrake, you can open it up in any video editor, such as I'm using Sony Vegas here. You'll see all these audio tracks. And the majority of the time, correct me if I'm wrong, I can't remember, it's been a while since I've done this, but the majority of the time, it's usually one of these tracks right here. Like the last 3 tracks is like the audio, like the background music in the episode. So I'm just gonna try to remove one of these tracks and just experiment with it here, because I'm not exactly for sure, but you just got to play around with it a little bit. So I'm going to remove, we'll delete this track. Let's see, delete track. Yes. Okay, that ain't the one. Okay, that was the voice track, so undo. What I normally do is just delete all the tracks except for the voice track. For instance, delete all these. Now, if I go back to that scene, there isn't any music. And yeah, that's pretty much all you do. All you want to do is find the voice track, the voices in the show, and then delete all the other tracks and just keep the video track and the voice track, and then you can add in whatever music you want to add in to your clip. That's how I always did my edits and stuff whenever I uploaded my Dragon Ball content. But sadly I had to remove some of the videos because they had copyright issues. So, and I got a strike on my channel, so I'm gonna have to wait a little bit before I can upload any more videos and stuff. But I hope this tutorial helped anybody that was wanting to know how to do musicless clips of Dragon Ball or any type of anime related content. I mean, keep in mind it might be different for different animes, but this is how I do it for Dragon Ball. And like I said before, make sure it's the Blu-ray rip version of the show. It's got to be a Blu-ray release before this will work, and it has to have 5.1 channel audio in order for this to work. If it's not 5.1, it will not work. I've tried it. But anyway, this is XL out. I'm signing off. Peace.